Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to do a shape sort. Woo, a shape sort. And I have Vinny here, my little helper, to help me. So we have our board over here divided into 4 parts. We have triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagon, and hexagons. Now, a triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles. And we know that tri is the prefix 3. So, Vinny, can you write a little 3 right there? We have our quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices.
Just like 4-wheelers are called quads. That's what makes me remember that 4 shapes are quadrilaterals.
Yep, put a 4 there. Then we have pentagons. Pentagons are 5-sided shapes. They have 5 sides, 5 angles, and 5 vertices. Put a 5 there. And then hexagon, hex means 6. So they have 6 sides, 6 angles, and 6 vertices. So I have a pile of shapes here, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to pick a shape, and we're going to count the sides, angles, vertices, and then put them into our sort. So you can just go ahead and follow along and work with us. Our first shape is what, Vin?
Triangle.
Very good. Can you point to the sides?
What?
Point to the sides on the triangle. Very good. Can you point to the vertices? And then the angles. The angles are inside. So 1, 2, 3. So we are going to go ahead and glue our triangle. Where?
To the triangle spot.
Yep. All right. Our next one, we have a square. And I know this is a square because all of the sides are the same length. And it has 4 right angles. If I use my index card and look, that lines up perfectly on all 4 sides. So this has 4 sides, 4 right angles, 4 vertices. Where does it go, Vin?
Quads.
Yep. In the quadrilaterals. Our next one is the shape a kite. Has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. How many angles?
1, 2, 3, 4.
And how many vertices?
4.
Yep. Quadrilateral. And right now, today, it's really, really windy while I'm making this video. It's Friday. It'd be a good day to go fly a kite. Our next shape has, looks like 1 right angle right here in the side. Let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where's this going to go, Vin?
This one goes where the 6 is hexagon.
Hexagon. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, 6 vertices, and 6 angles. Where's it going to go?
Pentagon.
6.
Oh.
Hexagon. I bet they knew at home that it was a hexagon.
I got 5 next to 6.
That's all right. The next shape we have is a rhombus. Also looks like a diamond. Rhombus. How many sides?
4.
How many vertices?
4.
How many angles? Where's it go? Yep.
Quads.
This is a parallelogram, and a parallelogram, boys and girls, has 2 sets of parallel lines, and we're going to be learning about different types of lines here soon, but parallel lines are 2 lines that never, ever touch each other, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. So where does that go, Vin?
Quads.
Quads.
Quads are getting full.
That's okay, just overlap them. Our next shape is a trapezoid. And a trapezoid has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. And a trapezoid has at least 1 set of parallel lines, and those are the top and the bottom line. Okay, where does that go, Vin?
This goes for
Quadrilaterals. Our quadrilateral section's really filling up. Here we have another shape. 1, 2, 3. Can you see that? 4, 5. What do we do with a shape that has 5 sides? Where does it go, Vin?
Put it in the pentagon.
Yes, that is our first pentagon.
He needs to go sideways.
Okay.
Do a smart face.
What's this guy?
Triangle.
A triangle. How many sides?
3 sides.
How many angles?
3 triangles.
How many vertices?
3.
In the triangles it goes. This shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this, boys and girls? What is it, Vin?
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
You are the second pentagon.
Here's our other shape. I'm just going to give you a second. I want you to count all the sides on your own.
I think I know. What?
All right, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this, boys and girls?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. 6 sides, so it's going to have 6 angles, and it's going to have 6 vertices.
Not everybody.
Next one. This is the easy peasy lemon squeezy
Triangle.
triangle. That's actually called an isosceles triangle because all sides are the same length, if you're curious. Our next shape is a rectangle. How many sides does a rectangle have?
4.
And now, don't answer just quite yet, Vin. How many right angles does a rectangle have? That perfect L, 90 degrees, capital letter L.
I know.
How many, Vin?
4.
4. And then 4 right angles, 4 sides, and 4 vertices. That's another quadrilateral.
And it also has, what's it called? Parallel lines.
It does. It has 2 sets of parallel lines. That's 2 sets of lines that do not touch. They'll never touch each other.
But they have, what's it called? What's a plus called? Are they learning that yet?
That's perpendicular lines.
Okay.
No, not yet. We're going to be learning it later.
Okay. Because they do have perpendicular. We see when this goes up, it makes a plus.
Yes, you're right. Here's our next shape. Count how many sides, boys and girls. I see a right angle right here.
I hear a dog snoring.
My dog is snoring in the background if you can hear him. He's underneath the table snoring really, really loud. All right, let's count our sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
It's my face.
And here's our last shape. Count how many sides. How many vertices and how many angles? And what shape is this, boys and girls? A quad or quadrilateral.
No.
Okay, real quick, I want to show you something. Mrs. Vojak used to teach 3rd grade way back. And I remember on our math test that the state makes you take, they asked you to draw a pentagon. And I used to teach my class a real easy way to make a pentagon is to draw a house.
Yeah, that's what my teacher told me.
Yes. So you just draw a house like this.
I give my house windows. Door.
Okay. And then there you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, 5 angles inside here, and then 5 vertices. So if they ever ask you to draw a pentagon and you're struggling, draw a house. It's an easy way. All right, I'm going to zoom in here so you can see our sort. Hopefully you can see it.
Mom, are you guys learning? So what are these called again?
Perpendicular
And
lines.
what are this? The X?
Intersecting.
Intersecting.
Okay, so guys, that's all for today. I hope you had fun with Vin and I on our sort, and I miss you all so much, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.